Which of the following best illustrates Vygotsky's concept of scaffolding? Ay, paulit-ulit, Juliet, no? Letter A, providing students with the answers to difficult problems. Providing students with the answers to difficult problems. Letter B, allowing students to discover solutions without any guidance. Letter C, offering structured support to students as they learn new concepts. Or letter D, assessing students' knowledge through standardized testing. What is your choice for this item? All right, letter C. Aba, ang bibilis ng Team Thorndike, letter C, of course, is tumpak. No need na to discuss. Alam na natin to. Basta scaffold, nag-o-offer ka ng support para marating niya, ma-achieve niya yung zone of proximal development, di ba? And eventually, ay i-withdraw mo yung support mo sa kanya.